Omoidasu means remember or think. The word omoi is from the word omo or omoimasu. So omoi is mean thinking or think. And dasu is mean you put out or put something out. So when we make the compound words like omoidasu is mean you put something in your mind or in your brain out. So that means you thinking about what in your mind, what in your brain to put outside. So that means you remember or you thinking. For example, you want to say like 一緒に楽ししたことを思い出します。一緒に楽ししたことを思い出します。It means I thinking what I enjoy with my friends, or I'm thinking what we did together or what we enjoy together. So it means 思い出す. Or you can say, and 昨日勉強した日本語を思い出してます。昨日勉強した日本語を思い出してます。Which means I am thinking about what I learned Japanese yesterday. Or you can say like you want to say about something in the past, or you want to say something about that happened in the past. So you can say, you can use 思い出します. For example, you forget something. For example, you want to say you don't know how to say the letter in Japanese. So at the time and you thinking and you can remember it. For example, the letter you can say 手紙, right? 手紙. So in that time you can say 思い出しました。思い出しました。手紙です。思い出しました。手紙です。Which means 思い出しました。This means I got it, or I already remember it. So that is let